Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Friday, April the 5th, 2019. We're going to go ahead and take a look at how the markets closed out the day and the week and how we're doing for the month so far. So starting with the Qs, you can see it's been straight up here for the past week and a half or so here. On the 15-minute candles, you can see nice steady up. We had some wicks, a little bit of chop, but really not all that much. You can see here we had 0.84 was our relative volume on the Qs. Looking at the volume bar, you can see here it's a little bit below average. We go up here to our weekly charts, though, and I mean, look at this. Just a very, very nice up stroke. This is the only, pullback we had at all way back here, about 4 or 5 weeks ago, and we are nearing all-time highs. So markets are looking real good. The bulls are pushing real strong. We'll have to see if we set those new all-time highs next week. I would just be a little bit worried if we get much of a pullback here. That won't be good. We want to definitely keep fighting through to break through, then come back, maybe retest that, and then move up from there. So, let's go ahead and move on to the spiders and see how they're looking. And the spiders, you can see pretty much the same kind of look there, straight up here for the past several. You can see the volume is down a little bit. We are at 0.94, so almost average volume. You can see throughout the day, we kind of opened up and kind of stayed there for the rest of the day. On the weekly chart, you can see we actually gapped up here to start the week out. We closed at highs, so spiders are looking very, very nice. Same thing here. We have those all-time highs just not far away. Let's hope we break through them, or even if we run sideways for a couple of weeks and then break through. So there's a lot of different ways the bulls can attack this, but we'll have to wait and see which scenario plays out. Now, taking a look at the diamonds, had a little bit of trouble today in the sense that it went up and pulled back a little bit, but still closed, well above yesterday's close. You can see here on the 15-minute chart, how it, came down through the day there. We ended up relative volume at 0.89, so just about average volume. You can see the volume chart here over the past several days. Once again, we have those all-time highs looming here, so very, very close to it. It'll be interesting once again, see if we hit and pull back, or if we break through, come back, retest, and go on. So there's a few different scenarios that can take place. You can see on the monthly chart, how we're looking there as well. Now with that, let's go ahead and move a couple of these charts out of the way so that we can bring our take a look at Holly and see how she did today to close the day and the week out. Holly Grill was very inactive. She actually only had one strategy to choose from, Mighty Mouse, and she had 3 trades with that. She lost 7 cents on the 3 trades. I apologize. She made 7 cents on the 3 trades, and risk one, she made 23 cents. Her best trade was PPDF, and she made 9 cents on that, got out for a timed exit. Had you held it till the end of the day, you would have made 14 cents, and that was the best trade in both categories. Now moving on to Holly 2.0, we had 19 trades there for a profit of $2.61. But wow, look at that on the risk on mode, $4.25. Let's take a look and see what trades went into that. We have GILD was got dough, wants to go, and she sure enough did. 65 cents, got out for a timed exit. But look at that, Holly seems to have some of these down pretty good. She got out at the profit there, 67.53, which was very, very nice, and then it did pull back afterwards. So it, maybe had she stayed in a little bit longer, there was some more money to be made there. But very, very nice trade. But only 21 cents had you stayed till the end of the day. But look at this MRNA. She got in on the quarterback long strategy. got out for a profit save, 42 cents. How many times do we talk about that where the trade starts going against her or just isn't moving? Holly gets out and then it kicks in. 221 had you held till the end of the day. Let's go ahead and move these charts up a bit so we can look at the Holly Neo, see how she made out today. And you see 11 trades on Holly Neo, 82 cents profit, 78 cents risk on. So just about a tie there. But her best trade was GILD, same one we looked at before. And the MX was tied with GILD for the best risk-on trade, and you can see here she got in, and this was looking for a bounce. She lost 4 cents, got out for the reduced risk, and then it went on to make the 21 cents had you held till the end of the day. Let's go ahead and bring our Excel spreadsheet in and take a look at our totals. So for today, we had 33 trades, 350 profit, 526 was the risk on profit, $188 trades for the week, 387 profit, $6.67 was the risk on profit. I want to thank you for watching these videos and remind you to subscribe to them so you never miss one. We got a video that's going to pop up. You can click on that to see some free stuff you can get from Trade Ideas to help you with your trading. And if you look in the comments, you can get a savings code to save some money if you want to purchase the software. God bless.